How would you describe the overall feeling here at Slush?
The overall feeling, well, it has been very relaxed. I've been surprised by how relaxed it is. I was thinking this was going to be a bit uptight, perhaps. People concentrated on buying and selling, but generally people have been very relaxed, and it's been very fun so far.
What has been the most inspiring thing?
I think the opening words by Bruce Orek, the ambassador from the United States to Finland, were very good, and he basically said to get out of our comfort zone. That was the thing, and I think that's what I'm going to do today.
How would you describe the overall atmosphere here at Slush?
I think the atmosphere is very energetic, but it is inspiring. A lot of happening. It's very full of energy.
What do you reckon is the most inspiring thing so far?
It's the discussions with founders, startup founders, that kind of deep discussions. What are they doing at the moment, and what are their challenges, and how they are really doing this very inspiring stuff.
What do you feel is the most inspiring thing you have encountered so far?
It's very difficult to choose one, so maybe I have to describe maybe 2 or 3, but it's been very interesting to hear the success stories of the ones who have made their startup to be something very unique in the market. But also it's been inspiring to listen of the new ideas that the startups have brought here. So the both sides, to how to be successful, to hear the stories of the ones who have made it, and also the new ideas of the so enthusiastic startups who are just in the beginning of their journey.